Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 432 at DoubleTree by Hilton Penang. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have the do not disturb and makeup room switches together with a light switch, the climate control panel, and a couple more light switches for the bathroom. There is a power outlet down there. And speaking of the bathroom, here it is. As you enter the bathroom, you have a mirror to the left, together with the sink below, bathroom amenities, toilet paper, towels, storage, a towel ring, a mirror, another power outlet. Here we have the toilet, as well as the shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower above, as well as the handheld shower right there. There are towels right there as well. And hooks behind the door. Okay, so that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Straight ahead is the wardrobe area. You have storage areas, hangers, in-room safe, torchlight, ironing board, iron, drawers, in-room zippers, a mirror right here. Hello. Here we have a place to put your luggage, the pantry area with bottles of water, the kettle. Here we have spoons, tea and coffee making stuff, mugs and glasses below. And here we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items inside. Okay, so it is a twin bedroom, so we have one bed right here and another bed right there, with a single bedside table in the middle. For the bedside table, you have storage. I think this is a drawer. Yes, it is. And right above, you have the in-room telephone, TV remote, writing materials, light switches, a power outlet, and a light. Right opposite the bed, we have a flat screen Samsung TV. The bin is right there. We have power outlets below the table. There's a table right there with a light on it. And right here we have a HDMI port, a couple of USB ports, more power outlets, a chair for the table, sofa. And as for the view, we get the hotel's pool below, the housing area that is next to the hotel, the jungle behind the hotel, and a condominium right there. You can see another housing area right there, and you can see a bit of the pool, the sea, together with the road that is in front of the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 432 at DoubleTree by Hilton Penang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.